Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we will first upload this AR1 image as image target inside a Vuforia account. After this, we will download the AR1 database and we will import it inside our AR1 Unity project. So for uploading this AR1 image, I'll open my Vuforia account. After this, I'll click on the Target Manager tab, which is neighboring to the License Manager. Next, I'll click on the Add Database button. I'll give this database a name of AR1 database, and below the AR1 database, as you can see, we have this three option of device, cloud and VUMark. So the device option basically means that the image which we are uploading as image target will be stored inside a device, that is the smartphone. The cloud option means that the image target will be stored inside the Vuforia cloud. Below the cloud option, we have this VUMark option. So VUMark is like a QR code or barcode, but it is a unique next generation of code scanner which can be customized freely, and it also has a unique ID. Now guys, you have to keep this device option selected as we will store the AR1 image inside a device. So with the device option selected, I'll click on the create button. And as you can see, our AR1 database is created, so I'll open it. After creating the AR1 database, I'll click on the Add Target button to upload our AR1 image. Okay. Now inside the Add Target type, I will keep the single image selected as the image which we are uploading is a 2D image. So next, I'll click on the Browse button. And I'll select this AR1 image which is basically stored on my desktop. So guys, if you look over here, then the image which you can upload should be of JPEG or PNG type, and the maximum size of image should not exceed 2 MB. Now below the file option, we have this option of width. So I'll set the width to 6 for the time being. The width basically represents the size of your image target, that is how big the image will appear inside the Unity software. After this, if you look over here, then we have this option of name. So while uploading, if you want to change the name of your image target, then you can do it from here. Okay, but I'll leave the name of this image to AR1IMG itself. Okay, and then I'll click on the add button to add this image. So as you can see, the AR1 image is uploading. So guys, the AR1 image is uploaded inside my AR1 database, and this image has an augmented star rating of 5 stars. Okay, so next I'll click on this AR1 image. After this, I'll scroll down and I'll click on this show features option. So guys, after clicking on the show features option, we are now able to see these yellow points, or we are now able to see these yellow dots. These yellow dots are an indication of how well your image will be recognized by the webcam or the smartphone's camera. Another reason why we are seeing these yellow points is because our webcam and smartphone's camera cannot recognize an image just by looking at it as we humans do. So it is with the help of these unique points our webcam can recognize a particular image, and this process of recognizing image with the help of these unique points is called as image processing. Now, based on these unique points, your image get this augmented star rating. So guys, if the augmented star rating of your image is more, that is 4 stars or 5 stars, then your image will be recognized clearly by the camera. But if your image has a low augmented star rating of 1 star or 2 stars, then the camera will have difficulties recognizing your image. So if your image has low augmented star rating of 1 star or 2 star, then you must reconsider uploading a new image target. And to upload a new image target, you have to click on this update target button, and after this you can re-upload a new image. Now since my image has a good augmented star rating of 5 stars, I won't be uploading a new image. So I'll come inside the AR1 database again. And after this, I'll click on the download database button to download this AR1 database. Okay, I'll select the Unity editor option, and after this, I'll click on the download button. So guys, as you can see, the AR1 database is downloaded inside my system, and the AR1 database is basically downloaded in the form of a Unity package. So I'll copy this Unity package on my desktop. So guys, as you can see, I've copied the AR1 database on my desktop. Okay, next, to import this AR1 database inside my Unity project, I'll just double click on this. Okay, so I'll double click on the AR1 database to import it inside my AR1 project. After this, I'll again click on the import button to import it. So guys, the AR1 database is basically imported inside my AR1 project. After this, I will add this image as image target inside my Unity project. Okay, and to do this, I'll first click on the game object option. After this, I'll go in Vuforia, and next I will select this image option. So as you can see, a new component by the name of image target is added inside the hierarchy. I'll make the image target a child of the AR camera, as image targets should always be a child of the AR camera. Next, I'll go inside the inspector panel of the image target, and over here, as you can see, we have this option of image target behavior. Okay, so inside this image target behavior, I'll leave the type to predefined. After this, I'll change the database from Vuforia's mass images to AR1 database. And inside the AR1 database, as you can see, we just have one image target, that is the AR1 image. Okay, so as you can see, the AR1 image is selected by default when I selected the AR1 database. So guys, the AR1 image which we have uploaded inside our Vuforia account is now being used as image target inside our AR1 project. So guys, that's it from this video, and in the next video, we will project a 3D model on top of this image target.